everyone. This is Elsie Kerns. And tonight I wanted to bring a good friend on, Nikolai Sinclair, because I heard she was having a festival right here in the Cherry Hill area at the Veda Den. So, welcome, Nikolai. And please
Thank
tell
you.
me, what is this all about?
Yeah, thank you. So the for the Free Spirit Mini Festival is something we really are excited about. It's a celebration of coming together. As you know, the Veda Den is a multicultural studio, and so we really want to come together and celebrate our the things that we have in common, right? I think that often we focus on the differences that we have. So this is really a coming together to celebrate the things that we have in common for all those that want to just be free for some of the, the things that we're experiencing in the world and the media and so forth. Let's just be free from all that during this festival and just come together to celebrate our what we have in common. And in addition to that celebration, we're also going to have a handmade market featuring now 12 vendors. I went over my original quota that I had, but we have 12 unique, very talented vendors that are going to be there as well. And so we're really excited to celebrate their artistry and the love and passion that they put into creating all of the unique products that they create as well.
So, I understand that this is Sunday, August 13th. And what is the time frame?
Yes, it's from 10 to 3. So if you're around the Cherry Hill area or if you're nearby, definitely come by. It is free of charge, right? There's no fee, but you can offer a donation if you feel so inclined to. And yeah, it's 5 hours, and we're just going to really just celebrate the free spirit in all of us. So.
Great. Now, what can people expect when they come?
Yeah, so there's going to be music, there's going to be food, there's going to be various workshops. I'm so excited about the lineup of workshops. We have a book reading and signing on an energy healer that is actually a good friend of mine. Her name is Myrna. We're going to have a cupping and massage workshop. We're going to have a mandala art workshop. We're going to have a what we call a face painting table for the mother and the child to do an exercise together and kind of bond in that way. Also, we're going to be talking about the upcoming yoga teacher training that we are going to be launching in September here at the Veda Den. We recently became a school, so we're very excited about that, and we're going to be offering that yoga teacher training, that 200-hour teacher training. So there's an info session on that as well. But more importantly, this is just a time for us to really just come together and be together and just celebrate that high energy that we all know that we possess. Absolutely.
So that sounds wonderful. And I'm kind of intrigued by all of those handmade things because when I go on your website, vedaden.com, we have on the bottom here, I know you have like those shawls and different things that are all handmade.
Yes.
And some of those people will be there with those, and what others?
Absolutely. So that ontology.com is my brand. And I'm the one that makes those wearable throws and ponchos and things like that. And I also make malas myself. But this is also just celebrating that artistry of my own, but also witnessing and experiencing the artistry in other people as well, and celebrating all things handmade. I know that it is a love of labor to be able to make things by hand and to appreciate the time and the energy that goes into these pieces. And so I'm just really fortunate and grateful to really share this platform with them as well. We have people who are really specialists at making herb type candles. We have a lady who's going to be bringing her handmade art and her wearable art. Like she literally puts her art on like scarves and things like that. And just absolutely gorgeous. We have a woman who really does a really good job at wrapping crystals and things like that in a very unique way. She's very talented as well. So we are just very excited about the lineup of workshops and just the talent that is really going to be at the festival. A lot of them have successful Etsy stores, right? So it's like bringing Etsy to life at the festival, and we just couldn't be more grateful and excited about this opportunity as well.
Great. Now, Nikolai, I grew up Catholic, but once I got into spirituality, using the malas, they really are just like the rosary. Would you explain that to people a little bit? The same thing.
It is true. They are very much like a rosary. In the yoga tradition, you do use them as a japa mala mantra, right? So you repeat a mantra that is either given to you or one that you use to maybe work on something in your life. And you use the mala in your hand and you just repeat, the mantra. And it really helps you concentrate, is really what it is. It's a tool to help you concentrate and kind of alleviate the mind from wandering. So you feel something, right? Our senses are always want to be engaged. So this kind of tames our senses, allows us to feel something, and then we're saying something with the mantra as well. And so it just draws in the attention, which is very helpful, especially for beginners. But yeah, I make malas, so I'm very excited. I have a wall full of malas in my gift shop here at the Veda Den. And so I'm really excited to really share that energy because I bless all of my malas as well. And so when you purchase one of my malas, you definitely will be receiving that blessing and that exchange of energy as well. But yes, they are just another fancy name for a rosary. I love it.
Yeah, I do understand exactly what you're saying. Now, for everyone coming, by the way, there is a VIP circle.
Yes, yes. So I'm very excited.
Okay,
Yeah,
VIP Women's Circle.
yes.
Tell us what that's about. What will happen if you join that?
Yeah, so that the VIP Women's Circle is a charge, and it's really for the women who want a little bit more than the festival, right? Who want to form those deeper bonds and really come together. We're going to have a few exercises, journaling, but what I'm really excited about is to share an immersive sound healing experience. So this is bringing sound healing in addition to spoken word together, right? And even imagery together in the outdoor space and have everyone experience that. I'm not the only healer that's going to be a part of the sound healing as well. So you're going to be able to experience styles from different healers and different instruments. And so I'm really just excited about that as well. But it's really a women's circle that's about coming together and forming those deeper bonds and then maybe having some of those chanting and having some of those conversations that really just are dear to my heart. So excited about that. Now that starts at 6:30. We may end up starting at 7 just to take advantage of some of that night twilight and that sky. So, but yeah, that's scheduled for 6:30. So I'm very excited about that as well.
Great. So it's Sunday, August 13th at the Beta
Mhm.
Den. Give us your address and location again.
Yes, the Veda Den is located at 1115 Route 70 West, here in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, right across from the Locust Wood Memorial. It's where Cooper Landing Road and Route 70 meet. Now, I do want to share a little disclaimer. There is a lot of construction going on Route 70, but we have a
Yeah.
solution for that as well. We have arranged off street parking for those that want to come and enjoy the festival as well. But I do have to warn you, the construction is there, but we're not going to allow that to interfere with us celebrating
Mhm.
our free spirits and our everything that we have in common. So
Great. Well, I did remember after you said that, that there's all that construction widening Route 70 so desperately needed. But people can just navigate around that, no problem.
yes,
And you're
yes.
from 10 to
To
3.
3 on
Okay.
August 13th, and
Yeah,
then the VIP Women's Circle starts at 6:30. Now, we do encourage you to sign up and register on our website, although the event is free, because I definitely want to send out, those instructions on where to park and so forth to help you kind of navigate some of the construction that's on Route 70. So definitely sign up. You can sign up on our website, thevedadin.com. You can see all of the workshops that we have arranged and scheduled. And you can also see pictures of all the artists that are going to be there as well. So,
oh, great. That looks like you can get a preview of what the festival is going to bring.
exactly.
Well, I already have Juliana sent a message. She said, we will be
We'll
there.
be there. Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you, Juliana.
great.
I
And
love
a
you. She's
couple
a
of
dear
others.
friend
Yes,
as
it's
well. And
wonderful.
definitely bring the little ones because we're going to have activities and fun tables for them as well. So it's a
Oh,
family
wonderful.
celebration.
Right. So you talked about that face painting and things like that. That's for the kids,
That's for the kids. And then the mandala art workshop is also for teenagers. So you have to be,
teenagers.
yeah, teenagers. But there's also, I'm an artist. My daughter really loves art. I'm going to have art and canvas and everything everywhere. It's over the table. And they're going to have a few water activities as well. So they will definitely not be bored. Right. And they're going to have lots of goodies as well. So really excited to be around that young energy, right? And
Yes.
that fueling and that energy from them as well. So
Yeah.
yes.
It sounds like a wonderful tribute as we get to end the summer by then, by August 13th. Everybody's shopping for school and thinking about
Yeah.
fall. So
Yeah, it's definitely
now you
the
have
end of the
tons
summer
of room.
celebration and also celebrating our second year in business as well. So
Mhm.
it's really celebrating those that have supported us during these 2 years. And we always like to give back during this time of year as well.
Well, again, you have plenty of room there. And I do remember coming last year, and this sounds is even more expanded. And again, all of those
Yes.
women or Etsy artists who have, done handmade, special, talented projects. Just so exciting to see. Sunday, August 13th, 10 to 3. But please go on to vedaden.com, look at all the workshops, and definitely sign up so that Nikolai can send you information on exactly where to park and there's no confusion.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you very much. It's always a pleasure seeing you, Elsie, and spending time with you. And thank you for, thank you for meeting with me and helping me, spread the word on this wonderful festival. And I can't wait to see come to your new business, um, Love Infinite Possibilities, right? Or Infinite Possibilities at
Infinite possibilities.
loveinfinitepossibilities.com.
Yes.
Yeah. So I definitely will sign up for the new infrared sauna that you have. I love those, so I'm really excited to experience that as well.
Great. Well, I love it. All these women are coming forth and creating fabulous new technology. And as you said, most important, community.
Yes, absolutely. Most important community.
Okay, good to see you again. Take care, and I'll see you on the 13th.
All right. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay, this